In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best welding rod for cast iron you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welding rod for cast iron in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Blue Demon ERNI-99 Tube Nickel 99 Cast Iron. The Blue Demon ERNI-99 Tube Nickel 99 Cast Iron is a high-quality welding rod designed for use with cast iron materials. One of the primary advantages of this welding rod is its high nickel content. The 99% nickel provides excellent strength, flexibility, and resistance to cracking, making it ideal for repairing cast iron. The nickel alloy offers superior bonding to cast iron, ensuring long-lasting repairs with strong, durable welds. The Blue Demon ERNI-99 is specially designed for use on cast iron, and it excels at that task. It can handle intricate and precise welds on cast iron components, whether it's repairing cracks, joints, or filling holes. The rod works well with a variety of cast iron types, which makes it versatile in different repair scenarios. The rod has a smooth flow, making it easier to work with during welding. The welds are clean, and there is minimal spatter. It provides smooth and consistent arcs, which enhances the overall welding experience. The ease of use makes it a great choice for both professionals and hobbyists. The Blue Demon ERNI-99 Tube Nickel 99 Cast iron welding rod is a top-tier choice for those focused on cast iron welding. It offers excellent strength, flexibility, and resistance to cracking, making it a reliable option for repairs and fabrication. Our second best welding rod for cast iron is ENiFe-CI 5 pieces 55% nickel cast iron. The ENiFe-CI 5 pieces 55% nickel cast iron. Welding rods are a reliable and affordable option for repairing and welding cast iron materials. With their 55% nickel content, these rods offer good performance, durability, and versatility for a variety of welding tasks. ENi-Fe-CI nickel iron type electrode designed to weld normal grades cast irons and joint them to steel. It has very good current carrying capacity, and the weld metal is stronger and more resistant to solidification cracking than other nickel-type electrodes. The 55% nickel content provides excellent strength and flexibility, ensuring a strong bond to cast iron. This nickel alloy helps prevent cracking, which is a common issue when welding cast iron. It gives a good balance between strength and ductility, allowing for more reliable and long-lasting welds. The ENi-Fe-CI rods are relatively easy to handle, making them a great choice for both beginners and experienced welders. The rods produce a smooth arc with minimal spatter and clean welds. This results in less cleanup and a more professional finish, which is especially useful for detailed or intricate repairs. The ENi-Fe-CI 5-piece welding rods offer great value for the price. With 5 rods in a pack, they provide an affordable solution for hobbyists and DIY welders who need to repair cast iron components without investing in expensive materials. These rods are designed for general-purpose cast iron repairs. While not intended for high-temperature industrial welding, they perform well in standard repair tasks such as engine blocks, exhaust manifolds, and other lower to mid-temperature applications. Third pick in our list is Welding City Cast Iron Stick Welding Electrode Rods. The Welding City Cast Iron Stick. Welding electrode rods are a reliable and effective solution for those needing to repair or join cast iron materials. The Welding City Cast Iron rods are made with a significant amount of nickel content, which is essential for ensuring strong, crack-resistant welds on cast iron. This nickel alloy provides the necessary flexibility and strength to avoid the common issue of welds cracking under stress, which is a common problem when working with cast iron. These rods are designed to provide a smooth, stable arc, making the welding process easier and more efficient. The welds are clean and consistent, with minimal spatter, which makes for a more professional finish. Number 4 in our side is Forney 43401 Nomacast Hardcast Iron. The Forney 43401 Nomacast Hardcast Iron welding rods are an excellent choice for welders who need to tackle cast iron repairs. The Forney 43401 Nomacast rods are specifically formulated for welding cast iron, making them highly effective for repairing cracked or broken cast iron components. They bond well to the material and provide strong, durable welds, making them ideal for repairing engine blocks, pipes, and other cast iron parts. One of the standout features of these rods is their excellent arc stability. The welding process is smooth, and the rods produce a steady arc, which results in clean, consistent welds with minimal spatter. This is especially important when working on delicate cast iron pieces that require precision. Cast iron is notorious for being prone to cracking, especially when welding. However, the Nomacast rods do a great job of minimizing cracking in the welds, providing a reliable bond that withstands stress. This is crucial for ensuring that repairs last over time and hold up under pressure. The Forney 43401 Nomacast Hardcast Iron welding rods are a great choice for those looking for reliable, strong welds on cast iron. With a stable arc, minimal spatter, and a design that reduces cracking, they perform well for a wide range of cast iron repair jobs. Whether you're fixing engine blocks, exhaust manifolds, or smaller cast iron components, these rods provide excellent results. For more details, let's watch more. Last in our best welding rod for cast iron list is Nickel 55 Cast Iron Welding Electrode. The Nickel 55 Cast Iron Welding Electrode is a solid option for welding cast iron, offering reliable performance at a competitive price. Designed for welding and repairing cast iron components, this electrode provides a good balance of strength, flexibility, and ease of use. After using it on various cast iron repair tasks, here's an in-depth review of its performance. The Nickel 55 electrode provides a stable arc that's easy to control, making it beginner-friendly while still delivering the precision experienced welders need. It creates clean, consistent welds with minimal spatter, reducing cleanup time and producing a professional finish. Compared to other nickel-based electrodes, the Nickel 55 Cast Iron Welding Electrode is priced reasonably. It provides great value for the price, offering strong welds and reliability without the premium cost of some high-end options. This makes it a great choice for both hobbyists and professionals on a budget. The Nickel 55 Cast Iron Welding Electrode is a reliable, affordable option for those looking to repair or weld cast iron components.